What's going on, y'all? How everybody doing? Today I'm just be going over inspecting a couple of plugs on my, I was finna say ATM, Lord have mercy, on my car. So I already loosened that up. I'm gonna take this cover off. I need to go get the paint so I can get ready to paint this cover soon. A couple more accent pieces. I'm gonna unplug the battery in here and just a little routine inspection. Nothing big, nothing major gonna be going on. I just wanted to just double check, just make sure everything's good. Because as you know, they did replace my main engine harness during that time before. So I just want to go here, pretty much just see what's up under here. I never really just inspected up under here. So I'm gonna check it out and go from there. All right, got this off. Get ready to take this out. Remove this piece that was right there. Y'all see what I did with the last time I did the experiment. I ain't had not one issue with the car. Take this box out. Might be able to do it. All right, air box is out. So pretty much it was a bolt right here. You know, screw it from right there. It'll be a piece right here. Unplug that. Take all of that out. Make sure you keep up with your clips. This will be the same process if you were doing a K&N swap. But down here is our good old, looks like our CVT transmission down this way. So, with that being said, let's check, inspect the wires and everything around it. Up in this area, I'm trying to cut the light on. Give y'all a little bit better perspective of what's down here. I need to take this out, honestly, so it can be out my way. That way I can see a little bit better. So let me do that real quick. All right, for those of you who did not see the throttle body, yes, it's an electronic throttle body. So we do have our connector right here. Now, do I know if it'll open up all that far when it's on? I have not the slightest idea. But as you can see, the throttle body never closes off because it should have some kind of leeway. But as far as everything here looks clean, the connectors are plugged in pretty good, so there's no issue with that. But like I said, here's our, looks like our CVT fluid line. Like I'm still learning about the CVT myself. So if this is not the fluid line, the checker, like I said, how you take this thing out, but y'all let me know, those of you who are experienced with this. Just leave a comment below. Just let me know what's going on up under here. But this is our lovely CVT. I'm assuming this is the starter right here, if I'm not mistaken, because it looked like it. Looks like the starter right there. I don't know if you can see it, but try to get a better angle. Video might be upside down, but that's the Nissan part. So the part number for that. As you can see below down here, let's go a little bit further. I don't know if I can get in here for you. But as you can see right there, there's the oil filter where it's connected at. So this is how you get to the oil filter up under here. So you have to take that bottom skid plate off and get that oil filter down there to drain. Don't look like it's a hard job or anything like that. Like I said, this is my first time actually just coming up under here and checking things. But what I do want to find is the main harness, which I'm assuming this is the main harness that runs through the entire car right there. That's one of the things I'm gonna be checking, just to make sure all the connectors are connected properly, and we'll go from there. Like I said, I don't know if y'all ever had a chance to look at stuff. Like we got the alternator right here. My serpentine belt down there. Motor mounts right here. Right back there, we got our exhaust manifold. Let's see what else we got back here. Kind of hard to see, but I don't know if that's our flex pipe right there. So I think it might be a cat. It's either a catalytic converter, might be right up under here, up under this heat shield. There might be a catalytic converter in the exhaust manifold back here. Now as far as back there with the flex pipe, I know it's another cat right after that. So I think this car got 2 cats, if I'm not mistaken. From there, like I said, I want to learn this car as much as I can and help you all out. Here we got our intake manifold right here. So we're gonna slap a big turbo and put it over here. Gonna push the battery back. No, I'm just playing. But it is possible. It is very possible. It got enough room for it up here, I can tell you that. But yeah, let's go ahead and do that now. All right, after checking the wires of everything over here, still got the backside to do, but so far everything checking out. Nothing's loose. Here we have our good old fuse box right here. At least one of them. I think there's another one right here. See if I can get it open. You can see here, we got more relays and stuff up under it. You check those too. But yeah, this one of the fuse box area, and the other one's on the inside on the driver's side. You pull that pin off. But let's see if I follow this right. So as you can see, we got the 10 amp fuse for the CVT. And then if you got the VC, it looks like this might be a VC turbo one. I might be wrong, but it should be one right there if it's equipped. Ignition switch, all of that be power window. That'll be the big amp down there, 40 amp. Yeah, so pretty much your CVT fuses and other stuff is located in here. And just make sure everything is tight, not loose or anything. Like I could pull them all out and check it, but I ain't got that tool on me right now, so that's another job task for another day. So I think all of that runs into here. We just want to make sure everything is plugged in up under here. It's tucked away pretty neat. It's a lot of wires. Oh, it's even got even more fuses up on here. And I don't have a map thingy telling me what fuse is which, so we're gonna put that back in now. We'll put that back in there. We ain't gonna mess with that too much. So yeah, let's keep the search going. All right, we got everything back together. I'll see y'all on the next video, and peace out. Take care.
This is the Country Boy.